Hello everyone, I would like to share with you in this video an idea that I just let's say developed, let's say. So I'm following a JavaScript IFC crash course. So it's a Beam developer front-end Beam developer course. So the issue that I'm having now is that for each of these lessons I would like to have let's say to have a folder created here on my JavaScript folder in my computer. So for that I would like to create something automatically. So in the past I had this version of the script where for a folder list I had all the let's say the folders created here, and then on a specific root directory I have created all the folders. If the folder well, I was joining the path with the folder name, and then if the path exists, continue, and then if not, make the directory. But the process of this cleaning was a bit let's say it was easy but not that easy something like this. So I'll show you how I did it last time, because it's C++ developer, and then I have here, I guess, yeah. So last time I had this list of copying. So right now if I copy, it's again it's like this, and I was cleaning the data by removing the blanks, and then I was use a concatenation to have it like strings. But this process was a bit it was fun. When I did it, it was fun. But today I want to came to you with a different approach, a better one. So as you just saw, I copied the content from here, and now I'm pasting here the links. So it's the hello world and then the location. So what I do is I'm injecting into this variable all the chapters, and then for the list, for the text above, I'm importing the regular expression and then find everything that is between squared parentheses on this specific text list. So if I do print this one just to see what's in, Control Pro, I can see that I have this list of future folders, right? And then okay, and because I don't want this for now, and neither this, what I would like is this one. So I have the current location in my JavaScript folder. If I do like this and came here, so on my JavaScript folder I will create folder path by joining this root directory with the item name, and then if the path exists I will just skip it. Otherwise, if the folder doesn't exist, the script will create it. So it's just run a play button. Everything is running here, and here are the folders. It's 1 a.m. As you can see, it's extremely late today, but I'm learning when I can, and I'm really happy with my progress. Thanks for watching.